Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be making this delicious cheesy stuffed chicken breast, also known as chicken cordon bleu. If you'd like to know how to make them, stay tuned. All the ingredients that you will need for this recipe are listed at the beginning of the video. So first I cleaned my chicken and then I started by butterflying it. Make sure you're using a sharp knife and then do it slow, and because we don't want to mess it up. Once that was done, just cover it with parchment paper and then you want to flatten it some more. Once it's flat like so, you want to go ahead and add in your Swiss cheese and then ham. You can use whatever cheese that you like and whatever ham that you like. Also, you can stuff it, you can use more cheese or less. It's your meal, you get to decide. Once you roll it up, you can use toothpicks to hold it in place. Done, add your panko breadcrumbs to a bowl. Next, add in your flour and season it. I seasoned mine with salt, pepper, and paprika, but use whatever seasonings that you like. And then go on to the eggs. Place your bowls in this order to make it easier. So first you want to lightly coat your chicken with the flour, then dip it into the egg, and then finally the panko breadcrumbs. After that, place your coated chicken onto a wire rack and then into the oven. Bake it for 45 minutes to an hour or until the internal temperature reads 165 degrees. well, go ahead and add some butter to a pot. We want the butter to melt. After the butter is melted, add in your flour. Let the flour cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then go in with your milk, your Dijon mustard, and the Parmesan cheese. You want to keep whisking the sauce to make sure there are no lumps in it. After about 15 minutes to an hour, my chicken was ready. I went ahead and served mine with the sauce immediately. It was so delicious. The inside is so moist and tender. Also, don't forget to take out your toothpicks. That looks so good. I served mine with a side of veggies. It also goes really well paired with mashed potatoes. Please try it. Let me know if you like it. And if you've made it this far into the video, please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!